There's our hawk bird right there in my yard. He's sitting right there looking for rats and mice, and that's why those squirrels is coming. I seen that hawk yesterday. There was a squirrel on the power line crossing the highway on top of the power line. That hawk right there come over there and tried to grab him, but when he grabbed him, he knocked the squirrel upside down. The squirrel was hanging upside down on the power line, and the hawk bird there couldn't get him. So the squirrel turned back up and got on top of the power line, and the hawk bird tried to grab him there, and the squirrel run off, and the hawk just couldn't grab the squirrel. He's just too small. That's a small hawk right there. He's real small. He's a lot smaller than that one the other day. He's looking for rats and mice, what he's looking for. He's right here where I feed the raccoons at and where I feed the squirrels at. That's where he's at. What you looking at? You hunting you hunting something or other? I'm not too far from him. Is that a hawk? I think that's a hawk, a small hawk. It's hard for me to see. My eyes are not working right. I wish he would catch all the rats and mice around here. Where he's at right now, that's where I seen 5 rats run up the tree. One right behind the other night, about a week ago. Look at him looking around. Don't look like he's too nervous of me. He must see something over there. He's looking down at something. He'll look the other way now. Alright, that was a small hawk bird there. Alright, that's the small hawk bird, a real small one. He's about half as big as that other one the other day. Stop.